डियर फ्रेंड्स, तो अभी एक सर्कुलर इशू करा है ऑल इंडिया पीएनबी पेंशनर्स एंड रिटायरीज एसोसिएशन टू ऑल द सीईसी members of AIPNB for circulation among the members. This is regarding the group medical policy for bank retirees renewal for the year 22-23. Since the last few days we have been anxiously discussing the above issue, so we are going to convene a virtual CEC meeting. So guys, please subscribe to the channel for latest banking and pension updates. Meeting to decide about our future course of action. Meanwhile, we have sent a SOS appeal to our MD and COE, which is to be reproduced before below for your information and circulation. तो आप यहाँ पे दोस्तों देख सकते हैं टू द MD एंड CEO. आप देख सकते हैं न्यू दिल्ली रेस्पेक्टेड सर एंड SOS अपील टू यू टू सेव द एल्डर citizens, the retirees and pensioners of PNB Group Medical Policy for Bank Retirees renewal for the period 22 and 23. So medical insurance in the banks were initiated as per the directives of DFS, Government of India, by the letter dated 24th Feb 2012, addressed to Deputy Chief Executive, Indian Banks Association, Mumbai, on the issue of staff welfare fund in public sector banks, in terms which banks may consider the option of group insurance policies for both serving and retired employees. So as per the said directives, the medical insurance scheme was included in the 10th by-part settlement for the working as well as for the retirees. So now, where in the said communication of Government of India, it was mentioned that the retirees will have to bear the premium from their own pockets. तो अभी रिटायरीज को अपनी पॉकेट से प्रीमियम देना पड़ेगा, बट कॉन्ट्ररी to the essence of that directives, IBA formulated separate policies for the retirees. So since the introduction of the scheme in 2015, banks are bearing the premium for the serving employees, while the retirees are forced to bear the cost for their meager pension amount with the urge to save their own life. So since then, every year the premium is skyrocketing. जैसा आपको पता है, in the last 7 years the premium has rose 600% दोस्तों, thus throwing the poor retirees in a deplorable situation, with the resultant effect that many of the retirees, especially elder ones and family pensioners, have been forced to opt आउट ऑफ द स्कीम. सो इस वजह से काफ़ी रिटायर्स को पेंशन की जो IBA की मेडिकल स्कीम है उससे बाहर निकलना पड़ रहा है दोस्तों. सो इन रिस्पॉन्स टू द मेल डेटेड 28 Feb, जैसा कि आपको पता है, फ्रॉम यूर HRD डिपार्टमेंट with effective on 31st March 2022, submitted our various suggestions for improving the scheme for your consideration and forwarding to IBA, which contain 36 points. The most vital 3 of these were: the policy for working staff and retirees should be clubbed, the premium for working staff and retirees should also be the same, and for calculation of claim ratio, such single merged policy should be taken as base. तो दोस्तों, द प्रीमियम फॉर द रिटायरी शुड बी फुली borne by bank as being done for the serving employees. As an alternative to the existing scheme, a scheme should be introduced in lines with central government health scheme on payment of one-time contribution by the retirees, and substantial portion of which may be borne by the bank. So what none of the suggestions, as also suggestion of various retirees organization, including those of our Apex organization, AIB Park, and the Serving Association representative UFVJO, have been incorporated in this year's policy. IBA, through its communication dated 30th Feb 2022, have advised all member banks that National Insurance Company Limited has been selected for the year to handle the above scheme. The IBA and the NICL have also advised the banks about the rates of premium for renewal of GMISR circular of our bank. जैसा कि आपको पता है, BOI has already come out and our bank is also expected to follow within the next few days. The rate quoted have thrown the retirees and family pensioners at the mercy of Almighty. आपको पता ही है, जो रिटायरीज एंड फैमिली पेंशन का जो प्रीमियम है वो 72,000 मैक्सिमम दोस्तों जा रहे हैं. And because many of them will not be able to bear this extraordinarily increased premium, naturally leaving themselves at the clemency of the destiny. तो दोस्तों आपको पता है अभी जो प्रीमियम्स हैं इतने ज़्यादा हाई हैं, तो रिटायरीज को फोर्सफुली आईबीए मेडिकल स्कीम को लीव आउट करना पड़ेगा दोस्तों. सर, बीइंग द सीनियर सिटीजन ऑफ कंट्री रिजाइडिंग इन अ वेलफेयर स्टेट, सर्विंग अवर ग्लोरियस इंस्टीट्यूशन Punjab National Bank for decades, putting our hard toil and sacrifice for the major part of our life for the growth of our beloved institution. At the tag end of our life, now we are feeling totally dejected and despaired at the development that are going on regarding the medical insurance policy. Though we have been continually demanding a comprehensive and common policy for both the serving and the retirees, and fully bearing the premium cost for the retirees also by the bank till the same is materialized. Under the prevailing circumstances where time left is too short, we appeal you to please consider at least our following two requests. तो टू रिक्वेस्ट को दोस्तों रखी है इन्होंने. टू बियर अ पार्ट ऑफ प्रीमियम, मिनिमम सब्सिडाइज 25% ऑफ टोटल प्रीमियम, एंड इट मे नॉट बी आउट ऑफ द प्लेस टू मेंशन दैट मैनी बियर बैंक्स, आपको पता ही है मैनी पियर बैंक्स सॉरी, जैसे बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा आर कमिंग टू रेस्क्यू द रिटायरीज इन दिस वे. सो वी एक्सपेक्ट दैट आवर बैंक विल बी द टॉर्च बियरर इन दिस स्पेयर. सो द जीएसटी कॉम्पोनेंट ऑफ प्रीमियम है वो भी बैंक बॉर्न करे दोस्तों. सो वी फील इट इज़ द ओनली वे टू मेक the directives of government effective and meaningful in the life of senior citizens. So please take the decision with human considerations based on the welfare of senior citizen. Please treat it as a SOS signal. SOS means emergency signal from the retirees organization of our glorious bank to save the community from an impending disaster. So we will be highly expecting a humanitarian approach to our above SOS message from your good office. तो आप देख सकते हैं दिस लेटर इज रिटन बाय योर सिंसियरली अशोक कुमार डी, जनरल सेक्रेटरी हैं जो कि हमारे AIPNB के दोस्तों. तो जैसा कि आपको पता है मोस्ट ऑफ द बैंक्स आर फेडरल बैंक ने अनाउंस करी है सब्सिडी, बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा ने भी सब्सिडी अनाउंस करी है फॉर द रिटायरीज, एंड आफ्टर दैट मोस्ट ऑफ बैंक्स PNB ने अभी तक अनाउंस नहीं करी है, बट इसमें जो रिक्वेस्ट लेटर डाली है फ्रॉम द यूनियन दैट PNB शुड आल्सो बी द टॉर्च बियरर इन दिस स्पीयर. नाउ अराउंड 25% ऑफ द टोटल प्रीमियम इन्होंने सब्सिडाइजेशन के लिए रिक्वेस्ट लेटर में डाला दोस्तों. एंड जो GST कॉम्पोनेंट है प्रीमियम का वो भी दोस्तों बैंक बॉर्न करे. तो दैट्स ऑल फॉर दिस, and please make sure to subscribe the channel for latest banking and pension updation. Thank you दोस्तों.